What if one simple habit every morning could transform your health? Today, we're diving into the incredible world of clove water, a tiny spice with massive benefits. From improved digestion to clearing your skin, and from fight inflammation to boost your immunity. I'll share why this drink is a game changer. Plus, I'll show you exactly how to prepare it correctly to unlock its maximum potency. So make sure to watch until the end. Number 1, improve digestion. Clove water stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, helping to reduce bloating and gas. Number 2, oral health. Cloves are packed with eugenol, a natural antiseptic. Drinking this water, or even using it as a mouthwash, can fight bacteria that cause bad breath and gum inflammation. Number 3, beauty skin. Its antibacterial properties help fight acne from the inside out, leaving you with a natural, healthy glow. And the last one is promote hair growth. Clove water is a game changer. It stimulates blood flow to the scalp, fighting dandruff and promoting thicker, faster growth. Now let's prepare it correctly. Don't use powder, use 5 to 7 whole cloves. For the best result, soak them in 1 cup of water overnight. This cold steep slowly releases the essential oils without damaging the nutrients.